Hi, today on the bench we have ST50 wind transducers, around 40 years old instruments. And the nicest thing is that you can still buy the spare parts. This one had the feather broken, this one also. This is from one of my friend's boats. It had a broken pin, so just jump a wire, the green wire, from there, just to test it. Now, this is a 40-year-old wind transducer. It is working. That instrument, it's a bit slow. It has a high average. Now, as I said in many videos, you have to do the 360 degrees around, and if the needle follows all the 360 degrees, then you know that is working. Must be on the apparent wind, the small dot. If you go on through, will say nothing because you don't have the speed pedal. So once you do the 360 degrees and the needle follows the feather, now this one, for example, right now it's straight up, and that it's showing a bit on the left, a lot on the left side. Keep the left one pressed, see 0, and then with this right arrow you go to correct it. Now we're gonna put the instrument at 0. That way, once I fix it, I know that this 0 of this instrument is the one that my friend has on board, so you don't have to touch the one on board to redo again everything, because if you give it to him and he'll show like this, we'll say no, it's not working, it's showing like now the first thing was to know if the electronics inside are working. Now this has a broken pin. I will not lose time to desolder everything. I do have another one that I think was working. I'm gonna take out the bearings, even if they are turning. This is a small, like 2.5 millimeters hex. Even if they're turning, they're rusty, like this one. The problem that they have are the bearings, that this one already been replaced. I don't know with what type of bearings, but they are rusted and they're blocked. It doesn't spin. So the incorrect type of bearings, if you buy like from the RS, I don't even want to talk about AliExpress, because they sell only crap. So do not buy stainless steel bearings from AliExpress. This one also, it's turning, but we're gonna replace the bearings anyway. Now I show it a couple of times. You have to take it out slowly, and then you have to open this tree without breaking it. Either you use a needle with a wire, go on one side to the other and try pushing it, or I'm doing it slowly. On camera it's really difficult to do, because if you do it badly, you snap these ceramic readers, and they're really expensive. Like, I have more than one here snapped. A couple of them I snapped, and a couple of them they got to me already snapped. So you have to be really careful not to break them. Sometimes if you break that one, it will be 150 quid to buy a new one from eBay. You don't find so many used ones. So I'm trying to do it on camera, it's not easy. We have to keep it pulled and move it really slow, and then keep it pull it out straight from all three without bending it. Let's hope I'm not breaking it. Ooh, done. Okay, so we took it out without breaking it. Now this bearing we're gonna need to replace it, but just to test if this trasducer is working. It has a small dent on the cable. We're gonna fix that one afterwards. I just want to know if it's working. I'll just replace the whole thing without losing time to try to solder them. In theory should be working. I throw away the ones that were not working. I only kept a couple of them for spares. I'm not doing so much of these trasducers these days. What's going on? I started fixing these wind trasducers, fixing the bearings, fixing the boards. They're really easy to fix if you know what you're doing. Okay, so that's good. Let's just see the bottom one. This one, it's a little bit easier. Okay, take it out. This red one, yeah, don't need it. Ooh, it's really. This is easier because it only has a small sensor, so even if you bend it, you don't risk breaking it. Now, okay, this is a lot smaller, as you can see it, and also the bearings are different. If you watch, this one has this type of bearing, the magnets has this type, and this one has the 4 magnets that go around. So yeah, it's measuring. So the idea is, instead of desoldering, I'll just I do have on my boat one of these new or with new bearings inside, so I'll just put the whole new piece with the new bearings, and it's done. So yeah, this is another one that someone just put it badly into the, but it will snap. Yeah, snapped. So yeah, but this one, it's good. Ooh, a lot of corrosion. The pieces inside must be good. I don't know. Anyway, this is the ST50 trasducers. Maybe I will read you a video on how to replace the bearings inside, but I don't know. Hope you enjoy it.